With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question given is which of the following sets of inner ear parts comprises hair cells? Our options are organ of Corti and vestibular apparatus, crista ampullaris and organ of Corti, macula and organ of Corti, and tectoral membrane and ampulla. Now this inner ear is concerned with the transmission of sound waves. This inner ear, they receive the sound from the outside or the external ear, and then there is transmission of sound waves, and the sound waves, they are converted into mechanical stimulation, and these mechanical stimulation, they are sent to the brain, and that is how we hear. Okay, so these inner ear, there are parts of inner ear which are concerned with this transmission of the auditory or the sound waves to the brain. And how they do that? They do that by the process of sensory hair cells which are present on them. So these sensory hair cells, they transmit the sound wave and help them in sending it to the brain. So these sensory hair cells, where they are present, these sensory hair cells are present inside the organ of Corti. The organ of Corti is also known as the organ of hearing, and it is present inside the bony labyrinth of the inner ear. The inner ear, it has a bony labyrinth which is known as cochlea, and inside this cochlea there is present the organ of Corti, and this organ of Corti, it possesses numerous sensory hair cells. These sensory hair cells, they are in form of bundles. So these bundle of hair cells, they transmit the sound waves. Okay, so this organ of Corti, which is also known as the organ of hearing, this is obviously the first answer. Now, if we see the first option here, organ of Corti and vestibular apparatus. So this vestibular apparatus, it is also known as the organ of balance, and this vestibular apparatus is concerned with maintaining the balance and maintaining the equilibrium of the body, and it does not possess sensory hair cells which are required for transmission of sound waves. So this first option is a wrong option. The second option is crista ampullaris and organ of Corti. So this crista ampullaris, this is also known as the organ of rotation. And why it is known as organ of rotation? Because this part, this crista ampullaris, which are present inside the semicircular canal, so they are total 3 in number, and these 3 crista ampullaris, they are also known as organ of rotation because they also consist these sensory hair cells, and they help to convert the sound into the mechanical impulse. So the brain cannot receive the sound impulse directly, so the sound has to be converted into a mechanical impulse, and this is done by the hair cells which are present inside these crista ampullaris, which are present inside the semicircular canals of the inner ear, and they are 3 in number. And organ of Corti, as I said, that it is the organ of hearing. So this pair, this is the right option for our answer here. The third option is wrong because your macula, it is a part of this balance system and it helps to maintain equilibrium. So this is a wrong pair. And lastly, tectoral membrane. This tectoral membrane is a group of connective tissue, and this connective tissue, this is concerned with the, as all connective tissues are concerned with the protection. So these connective tissue, they protect this organ of Corti or organ of hearing. So the organ of Corti and the ampullaris, they are protected by these tectoral membrane, and thus this is also a wrong option here. Thus the which set is the right set, which comprises of hair cells, both crista ampullaris and organ of Corti, which are known as the organ of hearing and organ of rotation. So these two comprises of hair cells which help in transmission of sound waves. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.